Love can keep you afloat. You're a guy or a girl or a goat who's in love and afloat on a boat. If I can sing this as I float.
Hi there, seagull. Oh, wow. You know what I love? I love this boat. I really do. I really love this boat. I mean, if you're going to talk about something that I love, then let's talk about this boat. Because no greater love hath any person for any boat than I have for this boat here.
Good morning, Ernest.
Oh, good morning, Amanda. You know what I love?
Oh, what do you love, Ernest?
Amanda,
Yes?
I love this boat.
Oh,
I really do love this boat.
oh. Oh, well, I love this boat, too.
You do?
Oh, yes, I adore this boat.
Oh.
I am crazy about this boat.
Oh, good.
In fact, my cup runneth over with love for this boat.
Oh, wow, yes.
Oh, I love it.
Oh, sir. Oh, sir.
Yes.
Do you know what we love?
Oh, yes. I know.
You do?
I know. You love this boat.
Yes,
And
we
you love this
boat.
boat.
Yes,
You
Yes,
both
we do.
love this boat.
Yes, we do.
Oh, you love this boat so much it's coming out of my ears.
Oh.
And you want to know something? Do you want to know something?
What?
I love this boat too.
You do?
Yes.
Wow.
Oh, great.
Oh, we all love this
Yes,
boat.
we love it.
Hi, fish.
Hey, you know what? I love this boat too.
Oh, we love
Hey, everybody. Everybody, you know what we love?
Huh?
We love this boat.
Right. I love it.